What up, y'all? Got a question for you. Think about venturing off into another chain, huh? Another blockchain, that's what I'm talking about. I know you've been on other chains. There's some you don't usually go to, but now you want to venture off into another chain. Now, the situation is most of your funds, for example, are on Binance, and now you want to move them to Base. Well, not all of them, but you want to explore Base or maybe Polygon or maybe Linear. Well, I have the solution for you, AllBridge. Let's talk about it. Now, why do we bridge? If you've been in the crypto game for quite some time, you know why. If you're new, bridging lets you transfer your crypto assets between different blockchains, which helps you to avoid high fees, and so you can access unique features on each network. Today, what we're going to be using is AllBridge, which is a user-friendly tool that you can easily use from your phone. Bridge your assets from your phone. Let's talk about it. Now, it's real simple. You're going to open AllBridge and connect your wallet. The website is core.allbridge.io. That's ALLBRIDGE.io. It's real simple. You just need to know where you're sending from and where you're sending to. First, you need the receiving address of the chain you are sending to. So as you can see in this example, we're sending to Solana. So you're going to go over to Solana, get the address, copy it, then paste it into the send address on AllBridge. Select the blockchain you want to transfer to, or transfer from and to, then choose the asset that you like to bridge. Of course, right here, we're bridging Solana, then confirm the transaction and wait for the process to complete. For the purposes of video and editing, you can see I sped it up, but it takes a short time. Here's another example where I send $75 from Binance to Base using AllBridge. It happens in under a minute, maybe 2 minutes max, literally. Again, speeding it up just for the purpose of this video. Now, while we're here, let me just show you how easy it is to purchase on Base with your Coinbase wallet. As you can see in this example, make sure you're connected to the Base network. Navigate to the buy section, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, and then complete the transaction. It's really easy, y'all, just step by step. As long as you have your bank account or a debit card connected, it's easiest. And for me, it's easiest for me to do it through Apple Pay because I have my debit card connected to my Apple Pay. And when you do it that way, you also get instant access of your funds because it's through debit. Now, when you're sending directly from your bank, it gives you access instantly, but sometimes you have to wait for a part of your balance because that traditional bank hasn't sent your money yet. You know how that works. That's why I just like to go through Apple Pay, which is directly connected to the debit card. Now, it also depends if you have an iPhone. I'm speaking specifically about Apple iPhone. If you have an Android, that's totally different. I don't know if Google Pay does that, but if you know, you can go ahead and comment below if Google Pay does like the same options like Apple Pay. Now, in this example right here, I purchased $100 USDC and used the USDC to buy some catch coins, which is on Base. Now, I do understand that some of you may not have the same access with the banks and the cards being linked, etc., or maybe you don't even want to go that route. That's why I covered the AllBridge transfers at the beginning of the video. Well, that's it right there. In conclusion, AllBridge makes transferring your crypto assets across different blockchains simple and efficient, allows you to save time and money. You know, whether you're moving from Binance to Base or you're trying to explore new networks like Polygon or even Solana, AllBridge has you covered. And that's it, y'all. It's your boy. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Catch y'all on the next one.